Dawaj nam mlady pan. Teraz bude. So,
Hello guys.
once again we are trying to make a new video for you. And what are we doing today?
This time we are just swapping wheels, and maybe if we have time we're gonna do a hood swap as well.
Oh really? Are you sure about it?
Yeah?
Ale toto? A kedy bude toto nové?
Na tej onej, je nový.
Fajn.
Toto dobre si sa to opravil.
Sorry.
Opatrne nemám.
Tak bude základ.
No do piči. Break my wallet.
So, we start at the hood, sorry?
Yes, we're gonna be changing the hood, and then we're gonna be doing the interior. From nasty cloth to a fine leather.
And now, edit.
Milan,
No tak. Keby nejsi jebnutý.
dobre Milan, ja ti len však srandu ukazujem.
Skажи?
Milan, lefty lúzy, prečo ťaháš doprava? Milan, tie otočným kolesom. Vidíš, jak dobre sú tie ložiska? Parádne. Trebalo by nové.
Piči.
Všetky by trebalo nové.
Ten šrabek. Kurvený. To je kameň.
Čo to bolo?
Nič. It's looking good, man.
First one in.
How good this looks, man.
No, pretty good. Horrible.
It's good. I love it. Ah, man, and with the Empake one,
Oh my goodness.
looks so nice. Man, pose for me, please. Oh. So what do you think about it?
It's pretty cool, man.
First time using the moment wrench, right?
Correct.
Le moment French.
The French moment.
The French moment. Ja, baguette.
Oui, baguette. Ja,
Oui.
baguette.
Ja, baguette.
Someone's been
Natuurlijk.
spending too much time in the Munich.
Man, but this mini machine is looking so good. Love it. Absolutely love it.
Nice.
But what is this? Man,
We need to fix that gap.
I can fix my
Yeah. Shut up.
whole fucking shoe in there.
Don't. No.
Dude. So, one wheel is changed right there. We'll probably do 3 others and get back later. Yeah.
And zkus to natáčať napríklad.
What you got in there?
Not much. Just
a small present.
small present from Munich. Lovely.
It's so nice. Man, but I love those wheels. But this gap is killing me.
Ale nowe diski.
Bardzo fajnie.
Bardzo fajnie.
Classic BMW activity. Feels good to be back, right?
Feels good, man. Feels good.
So we went for a quick car wash after we put on those nice 17's. Tully is right there cleaning the car. And I think this honestly feels like a bit of a montage. So the thing right now is that I'm going for my second car, the keys for my first car right here, because my tires got changed and I want to try it today at our local dog. So let's hope for the best. So back in the garage, and as always, we are having. Oh, this is Lubos, by the way. We're having this really nice motorcycle. Can you see this, man? But
we're having issues.
Just small issues, yeah. Hopefully, we can sort it out. Idzie to? Ani piciu. So, this side is not working at all. When you try to put it from inside, man. Elegance.
Yes, exquisite.
We need to do two things at the same time. Now, boy will be changing our locks right here. That's definitely not why we got him. We got him just to chill. And now he'll do a free labor.
Užívam si to.
So what seems to be the problem, mister?
This needs to be longer.
Shit. I think that's average, man.
Pretty average. I need to
So, right this shit?
Yeah.
This thing is a bit loose. It's also ripping itself always.
Yeah.
We try to accelerate. So, we're
gonna
changing
replace it.
with a new one.
Yeah. Thank you. Ooh, it's a bit long.
Is it?
But not like in a bad way.
No. And that's why this one was cut short.
Probably because it's the same thing.
Yep. But it should fit pretty nicely, yeah?
Well, I think there's a reason why it was cut.
Yep.
Shit fucking stupid, man. Don't make no sense.
Nope.
You should do the trick.
Nice. So, oh shit, I need to see something. Fuck. Because we have a hole here. But what I want to say is that we finally managed to fix it, and the turbo hose seems to be holding.
We'll have a test drive and see.
Oh
about
wait,
that.
dude, I have a dirty lens. So we tried to unscrew this one to make it more torsionally upgradable.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
And right here you can see
This-
how it's not done. Please, if you're trying to make a bigger intercooler on TDI, please don't do it this way.
Please don't do it this way. Do not, like, at least think about the angle of the charge pipe to the turbo inlet, because this is stupid. It's touching the. It's just touching everything. It's touching every piece that it shouldn't be. It's just terrible. I hate it. Whoever built this car, whatever.
Man, nice style, man. So we hopefully fixed the car. The issue, man.
Hopefully.
So hopefully we fixed the issue with the turbo hose. Right now it should be on pretty nicely. The car is low as fuck. It's stupidly fucking low, and it's not as low as it can be still. But we are scraping everything. Fuck, man. And this Speedy can produce like quite decent power for this weight, I would say.
I mean, it's maybe 150, maybe 160 horsepower. It's not that great.
Let us
Could be
know.
better.
Let us know if we should get it to the dyno, but probably not. No, because it's just cheap. And the thing is that we are trying to test it. We'll see if the turbo fails, and if yeah, we'll have more content, I guess.
Just more time in the garage.
Yeah, and more time in the garage. All right, that's probably everything.
Thank you. But it works. which is
It seems to
exciting.
work. And we should probably try
Let's
to
see.
take it to. Okay.
Okay.
Nice.
Here we go. Okay, it's pretty good. That's nice.
It is.
But
And we should try to take it to the highway. Maybe.
Maybe, but we're blowing a lot of smoke.
Oh, that doesn't matter.
I know, but it's a lot.
That
it's
doesn't matter,
it's a lot
dude.
more than we used to. I don't know. It's a bit weird.
But the turbo seems to be doing its thing.
So far,
But-
so good.
I think the boost is not as high as it was before.
I'm not so sure.
Shit. Oh, my man. Be careful, there's always police in here. Yo, fuck.
Fucking hell.
Ďakujem, dovi. What the fuck did we hit? This is all right.
I think we hit some animals.
Yeah. All right.
Let's walk.
You wanna make a cool montage out of it?
Balls.
You wanna make a cool montage out of it?
Of course, you know me.
So do me like, whoosh. Slowly to the outer ring, I would say.
Yes, outer.
Oh, like outer, not like outer ring, but outer ring, you know, like outside ring. And we are trained to push the turbo right now, so zapinamy pasy!
Zapinamy pasy! Zapinamy pasy!
Kurwa! Ah.
Kurwa policaj!